Great. So that was kind of our select operation. Now we're looking at our project operation, which is our second unary operator. So it's operating on a single relation. Our relation R here is provided with a table R with tree attributes A, B, C, alpha, beta, 10 up to 40, 1, 1, 1, 2. We get an expression at the end here where we take our original table, or a slice of it, of A and C, and then it gets reduced into A with an alpha and two betas and 1, 1, and 2. Okay, so this projection operation is a bit interesting because it's going to manipulate the attributes that we have. The notation that we use for it is the two columns. So we say project on relation R for every attribute A1 up to AK, and that's the specific names of that attribute. This result that we get here is the relation of K columns attained by erasing the columns that are not listed. Okay, so again, we're not deleting them, but we're presenting a new relation, right? Because we're always getting a new relation out of this, where we're getting rid of attributes that aren't associated with it there. Okay, so essentially duplicate rows are removed from the results since we have, if essentially we have two attributes that are duplicated, or sorry, like one that's underneath each other, we're looking at sets where it says individual instances, so those would be removed. What this tells us down here is to select the attribute A from every tuple in our relation R, and then form a new relation using the unique instances of this. So we don't want to have the duplicates here either. Okay. So if we actually take a look back at our equation here that we have, the R expression, we can see here that we had some instances that were similar, such as A1 and A1 here. And if we use the project operation, we might get rid of one of them because they're a duplicate. If we use the select operation, because we're not using the removal of unique instances, we'd get both of them. Okay. So if we take a look at the project operation in our in our instructor relation, we could say select ID, or excuse me, project ID name salary on our instructor. What we can get here is essentially we cut out the department name. So we get rid of it. And then if there's any unique instances or duplicated instances, they're not there in the result. In this scenario, we don't have duplicate instances, but again, once you get into database design, you might have some pre-made databases that might have duplicates, so this could be useful there.